Hey everybody, welcome to my Anton Earn Money channel. Today we are showing you a review of my best recommendation when it comes to making money online. That is on the market right now. In case you want to learn how to make money online by creating videos on YouTube and make a second income from home, you are in the right place. Watch this video or watch this review video till the end and you will see what this course can do for you. It is one of the best courses right now, and I can say from my experience, it is one of the best courses on the net. So, watch the video if you want to learn how to make money online with YouTube without investing in start up your home business and even without showing your face. The first part of the lesson is the introduction of the Tube Mastery and Monetization course. To get messages and updates of the course or to know what problems some members have, you can join the private mastermind group on Facebook. In this group, you can write down your questions or learn from other group members what problems they had or have and find some solutions for your own problems. When writing to Matt in this group, you will get almost within a day a response to solve your problem. He will not leave you alone with his cause. He stays side by side with you to have success with his cause. In his welcome section, you have 3 lessons. The last lesson is in the section is how to use this course. The next module is the overview of this method. In this section, you will have 3 lessons. These lessons give you the overview of case studies, what members have achieved, and a step-by-step checklist that you control what you have to do and what you have finished. Module 3, Choosing a Niche. This module shows you how to choose a niche. This module shows you in 7 lessons how to use YouTube, the best CPM niches, his favorite niches, a list of profitable YouTube niches with lots of examples, the niches to avoid, and how to market research. Module 4, Setting your channel up for success. In this module, you have 10 lessons where he shows you how to set up your channel for success. That means how to create a Google account and start making your new channel. He shows you in this lesson how to find an awesome name for your new channel, the important things to optimize your channel, how to add a custom subscribe link, and so on. How to make a logo and channel art, where to find free software to do it, how to prevent your channel from getting hacked. He will show you important security measures, the 33 rule, and how to use suggested video loops to go viral. The best YouTube tool you can get for your videos. The secret keyword process he uses in his business. How to implement his strategy and how to plan your content strategy. This is one of the biggest modules, but this with lots of information for your startup of your home business. In module 5, you will generate videos. In this module, you will actually start your adventure with YouTube. He shows you an overview of generating videos, the anatomy of a viral video, how to systemize your videos for your channel, how to write scripts, how to record voiceovers, free and paid versions, where to find content for niche channels. You'll get links to free video editing software, and he will show you how to do all the work with these free editing software and also with paid editing software. He shows you on his computer how to make the editing of your video. He shows you how to make high CTR thumbnails by yourself, and you will see actually how to generate a video from start to finish, that you know all the steps you have to do when making your own video for your channel. Module 6 is uploading and optimizing your video. This module which has 5 lessons, you will learn all about uploading and optimizing videos. Uploading videos and the initial optimization to get successful. How to optimize videos properly. Scheduling and publishing your videos on YouTube and making a content calendar. In module 7, this is the growth module. This module is the growth module. In this module, with 9 lessons, you will learn all about how to grow with your YouTube channel. He will explain how to understand YouTube analytics and the algorithm, how to effectively go viral on YouTube, the best time of the day to upload your videos, how to do thumbnail split test and other tool to optimize your channel. He explains to you the mistakes to avoid, how to use Google Cloud Vision for thumbnails and also an advanced card strategy. In module 8, which is the monetization module, in this module he shows you with 7 video lessons the way of making money on YouTube, how to make money with YouTube ads, how you can increase your CPM, and how you can monetize your YouTube channel with affiliate products, and the ways to do it, how to sell digital products with your channel, and how to sell merch physical products on your channel. And last not least, managing your YouTube channel and channels and selling content creations. In module 9, we have the scaling and outsourcing. This module is scaling and outsourcing where he shows you how to outsource all the work for your channel to other people, where and how to hire people from, hiring one person to do all the content creation, and how to post a job for that work. You will learn how to make a video creation, assembly line, and how to outsource thumbnail creation, how much you should pay for your outsourcing job, how to manage your team in case you have different people to work for you. You will learn the outsourcing considerations and also will learn how to multiply your revenue with translation. Module 10 is the bonus module. At the end of the course, you will get a bonus module with 5 lessons that includes how to access all your bonuses, the list of all software and tools, personal brand secrets, how to do all this work from your phone, and also about business and taxes. In this business and taxes, I think it's a little bit more related to US customers. But you can get tips for at least insights what to do regarding your tax issues when starting to get your income from YouTube. By the way, in order to monetize with YouTube, you need around 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours watch time on your channel. When you have this, you can subscribe to the partner program of YouTube and make money with your channel. I have gone through this course and I only can say I was speechless of all the information he tells you and the systematic explanation in his videos. I frankly have never seen a course like that before, and also the support he gives you. That shows that he is willing to help you to succeed. I really can say from my experience that this is a course for everyone who is trying to make some money on YouTube as a second income from home. I never regretted having invested in that course on my own, and I am really happy I did. Because of all the courses I have bought before, this one was the best without exception. I highly recommend it and ask you to push the link in the description. In order that you will get more information on how to make money on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel and follow my next videos. Take care and see you in the next video.